Let's talk about making comparisons in Spanish. Things like taller than, smarter than, shorter than, as rich as popular as. How do you do that? Well, happily there's a chant. Here's the comparison chant. Más que, menos que, tan or tanto como he. Más que, menos que, tan or tanto como he. Alright? Right now that sounds confusing, but you'll get the hang of it in just a second. Alright? Now, what is más que? Más que is more than. First week of school we learned A, E, I, O, U, un burro sabe más que tú. A, E, I, O, U, a donkey knows more than you. So let's look at number one. Paco is taller than Maria. Paco es más alto que Maria. They don't say In English we say tall, short, It's really aggressive. In Spanish they say más. So we say taller, they say más alto. We say shorter, they say más bajo. So Spanish speakers do not growl. They don't say rich, they say más rico. Let's look at number two. The boys are less intelligent than the girls. Well, más que is more than, menos que is less than. So, the boys are less intelligent than the girls. Los chicos son menos inteligentes que las chicas. Notice, more than is más que. Less than is menos que. So literally, the boys, they are less intelligent than the girls. Notice, why did inteligente become plural? Because the subject of the sentence is boys, which is plural. So again, the boys, they are plural, less intelligence plural than the girls. Number three, she is as pretty as her sister. Now, más que is more than, menos que is less than. Tan como means as. Now, how are we going to remember that tan means as or so? Well, here's what I did. Visualize a girl. She is as tan as her sister. Alright? Now, visualize the same girl. She is so tan. So tan means so, and it also means as. So, she is as pretty as her sister. Ella es tan bonita como su hermano. So, más que, more than. Menos que, less than. Tan como is as something as. Like tan alta como, as tall as. Tan popular como, as popular as. Now, let's look at the last one. The rich girl has as many houses as Bill Gates. Now, tan means so or as. She is so tan, or she's as tan as her sister. Tanto means so much or so many. So tan means so, tanto means so much. Tan means as, tanto means as many. So, la chica rica tiene tantas casas como Bill Gates. The rich girl has as many houses as Bill Gates. Now hold it, Mr. Hulk. You said it's tanto. Well, tanto is an adjective, so it goes in front of the noun. If it's as many girls, it's tantas chicas. As many boys, tantos chicos. So tanto has four forms. Tanto, tanta, tantos, or tantas. So, Mr. Holt, the girl is singular, but houses are plural. So is as many referring to the girl or the houses? As many is referring to houses. Houses ends in as, so tanto turns into tantas. La chica rica tiene tantas casas como Bill Gates. The rich girl has as many houses as Bill Gates.